Today we've invented a brand new drinking game similar to the one we played last week, me against Ritchie. Today it's Ryan against Eddie. And the rules have changed. Same idea. The first thing you have to do is finish your beer at some point during the game. The second rule is you have to make 3 points. Last time we played, you only had to make 2 shots. Today we're playing with points. A bounce counts as 2. The twist is there's no turns. You guys can take as many shots as many times as you want. You guys are gonna be throwing balls nonstop. If you guys can't see in the background, the winner gets a brand new Frisbee. So you guys better be on your A game.
Yeah!
Game starts now.
Yeah, baby! Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit!
Fuck, dude, right in the game.
This one. You bounced it? It definitely bounced.
Did it bounce?
I guarantee you it bounced.
Bounce over and backwards.
It's 2-0 already.
I'm just fucking going for it, dude.
No.
I forgot I should be drinking, too.
Up!
Fuck. Gigi,
Going down.
fuck off! Eventually, shit's gonna happen.
GG's.
Oh, shit!
Stop! Spinner! Let's fucking bounce some of these bitches in.
Oh my
If
god!
Ryan bounces it in, all she has to do is finish her beer.
God damn it. GG Bob!
Dude.
Third rule, you have to have a dog
Come
anyway.
on. Oh, God.
Hell no, that is spanking.
The score is still 2-1. Eddie's in the lead.
She's got the bounce. Ah! Oh!
What is that? It's a fucking game, huh?
No, you gotta drink. You
What
gotta
do
drink the
I
rest.
gotta drink?
Wait.
You gotta fucking drink.
I did.
Did you make it?
You bounced
You
it?
bounced it.
Oh, shit!
Hell no!
Who made it?
You done? Hell no.
Nope.
I still got a chance! I still got a chance! Ow! I still got a chance! Ow! I still got a chance! Ow!
Oh my god, it burns. It's all over my face.
No.
Oh my god. Almost done, folks.
Eddie, even if you do make it.
I did it!
Winner is Ryan.
See that coming, huh? Oh god, my heart.
Good alcoholic dog.
Good game.
How do you feel, Eddie?
Well, a little relieved, a little embarrassed, a little ashamed.
You know what's funny?
But-
You didn't even know you bounced it. Oh, the winner of the brand new, one of a kind, bird and butterfly.
All flying things.
Yes.
Makes sense. Alright, well, if that motherfucker's over here, man, I'll challenge you.
Who?
Richie. Challenge you.
Tune in next week to see Ryan go against Ritchie with maybe a new rule set. I like these rules more than last week's rules. It makes it a lot more quicker if you add the bounce rule, which is actually what ended up saving Ryan and making her the champion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Kuna Matata. Bitches.